The next product I want to talk about is our latest iteration of our Realme Watch series, the Realme Watch 2 Pro. Our goal with Realme Watch 2 Pro is to elevate your day with fitness and health-focused features packed in a premium design that fits into your style. Speaking of premium design, Realme Watch 2 Pro features a large 1.75-inch color display with an insane 600 nits peak brightness. That means you can read all of your on-screen notifications, messages, and even time under direct sunlight. If you compare it to its predecessor, the all-new Realme Watch 2 Pro features an improved, brighter display by 58% with an increased display size by 56%. Having such a large and bright display means you can better showcase your style through personalized watch face. This time around, our watch face store has over 100 curated watch faces for you to choose from. We are sure that you will be able to find something that expresses your personality and style. For those who are unfamiliar with Graflex is a very influential artist in fields such as street art, pop art, and cartooning. He is also the art director of Realme Design Studio. This time around, we've invited him to design a series of watch faces based on graffiti and street art styles. In these watch faces, you can see a distinct graphic style of design through the combination of subculture cartoon, bulb line, and pop art. While Realme Watch 2 Pro is stylish and fashion-forward with its premium hardware design and personalizable watch faces, we want the Watch 2 Pro to inspire you to live a fitter and healthier lifestyle. Realme Watch 2 Pro is more than just a sport watch. It is a personal trainer that helps you to train better, measure your calorie burn, and track your fitness progress over time. And this is why we have increased the number of sports modes from the original 16 to 90. That means whether you are training for a marathon or weightlifting in a gym, Realme Watch 2 Pro has something for everyone. If you are an avid runner like I am, this feature is especially useful for you. With the dual satellite positioning system, you can see your pace and distance without your phone, then see your workout map in the Realme Link app later on. The SpO2 Monitor tracks oxygen saturation levels in the bloodstream, making Realme Watch 2 Pro a handy frame of reference for respiratory well-being while working out or in higher altitude environments. I have to be clear that this feature can only be used as a frame of reference, not a medical device. However, this is still a cool feature to have when you are working out. In short, Realme Watch 2 Pro is the ultimate workout and health partner featuring 90 sports modes, dual satellite positioning system for accurate location tracking, heart rate monitor, and SpO2 monitor for safer workout. What about battery life? Well, we continue to raise the bar on what a smartwatch should be with a long-lasting 14 days battery life, so you can exercise all day without missing a beat. In case you are running out of juice and is rushing off to somewhere, well, we've got you covered. Thanks to the convenient magnetic charging, you can get fully juiced up in under just 2.5 hours. In summary, that's Realme Watch 2 Pro. It has an all-new ultra-bright, huge display with over 100 watch faces for you to choose from. It also has many other helpful fitness and health features such as heart rate monitor, SpO2 monitor, dual satellite positioning system, and more. And for people who prefer smaller form but still want all of the awesome features and design of the Realme Watch 2 Pro, we have something just for you. The Realme Watch 2. It has everything you know and love about the Realme Watch 2 Pro. From the ultra-bright 600 nits display to the 90 sports mode support, all packed in a smaller form size of just 1.4-inch color display. So, this is the all-new Realme Watch 2 series. Fitness and health packed in a premium design. We can't wait for our Realme fans and customers to get their hands on these awesome smartwatches. So, to sum it up, we have introduced two products today, Realme Watch 2 series and Realme Tech Life Robot Vacuum. But we're just getting started because we have more surprises for you guys. Realme is in the infancy stage of our AIoT journey. We will soon be introducing more Realme AIoT products in the next coming months. Here's a sneak preview for you guys. The first surprise is that we are going to launch our first tablet,
Realme Pad.
This is an entertainment-first device in an ultra-slim form design. Stay tuned on our social media for more information in the next coming months. The second surprise that I'm excited to share with you guys is that Realme is about to launch our first laptop into the market.
The Realme Book.
In fact, I have a prototype with me right here, and I would like to give you guys a quick glance at it. When we first started this project internally, we want to build a laptop with Realme fans first in mind. We believe in the creativity of our community, and this is why we are going to kick off our first ever
Realme Book
co-creation program. Starting today, you are able to submit your ideas to us on our official website. We look forward to your submission and work closely with you to make the best possible Realme laptop. Now, we are entering into the most exciting part of the whole presentation, and that is the price. For that, I want to invite Johnny back to tell you all about it.
Wow, I hope you're just as excited about the products as I am. Now, let's get to the final stage of announcing the price. Before I reveal the exact numbers though, let's take a look at the comparison chart of the 2021 flagship smartphone specs. As a high-end flagship killer, the Realme GT comes in at an incredible value. It will come in two incredible variants as well, 8GB RAM plus 128GB ROM variant and a massive 12GB RAM plus 256GB ROM top variant. Realme GT starts at just 449 euros. It comes with 8GB of RAM and 12GB of storage. The super-powered 12GB plus 256GB variant is just 599 euros. Amazing, right? We believe it is the best value for flagship you can get on the market right now. However, let's not call it a day just yet. Here's a mind-blowing surprise for all our fans around the world. Realme GT 8GB plus 128GB variant will be on sale for just
369 euros.
Only on AliExpress. The availability starts from June 21st to 25th. At this price, Realme GT is redefining why it is the true flagship killer of 2021. For our fans in Europe, we have one more surprise for you. If you're participating in our early bird sale during Amazon Prime Day, you can get the 12GB plus 256GB top variant Realme GT at just 499 euros. Stay tuned for more exciting news from our end. In addition, we're making Realme GT available across even more partners and retailers with more surprising offers. Keep an eye out for availability in your local market. Now, let's unveil the price of our first Realme Tech Life ecosystem product, the robot vacuum with lidar. The price starts from 299 euros on AliExpress, which is again a true flagship killer price under this product category. The pre-sale starts from tomorrow. On AliExpress and those who are participating in our pre-sale, we will select one winner every day. You will be able to get a direct 100 euros off the product. Do stay tuned for our exciting offers on AliExpress. Last but not least, the Realme Watch 2 Pro and Realme Watch 2 will also be available for just 74.99 euros and 54.99 euros. Both products will be available directly from tomorrow on realme.com and Amazon. That's all for our AIoT products. please check your local realme.com and official social media channels for more retail information in your country. I hope you have enjoyed the latest addition to the Realme lineup today. Thank you everyone for tuning in. See you soon and have a great day.